Hey guys,
hey everybody,
welcome to another YaadMentz video. Before we continue in this video, we must say please hit that subscription button if you're new here, or if you just continue to watch our videos but you're not sure yet. Hit the subscription button, also hit the notification bell as well so that you get notice when we drop our videos. You know, I'm Sean
and I'm Debbie.
Alright, so today guys we are doing something Grace has introducing on the market. I think it was last week or week before. It's their special edition potato drink line. I think it's 3 flavors, but we were able to get 2 out of them. The mango sweet potato and the sweet potato. So it's new. Have you ever drank sweet potato before?
Never.
This is something different. Like
sweet potato, that's something where you eat with Aki, something where you eat with your lunch. Like
I don't know what would inspire them to come and try this, but hey, you know, you have to try something new and put out something so that people can, you know, enhance them palates. And
who knows, maybe it'll taste good and it'll refreshing and them some of them.
You know what I mean? Yeah. Alright, so we have our glass here as well with water so that when we drink one of the flavors we can, you know, rinse out our mouth so that we can introduce the other flavor and then we can have a better judgment of, you know, the taste of the potato special edition, Grace potato special edition drink.
Tropical rhythms.
Yeah, you know,
it's a part of tropical rhythms.
Right, it's a part of the tropical rhythms line.
Yeah, so if you guys know tropical rhythms, you know that it's mostly like fruit flavored stuff, like you know, mango, carrot, and pineapple. So it's really a fruit line. So I guess now what I'm trying to, you know, mix it up.
Mix it up a little.
Yeah.
Who knows?
We'll see how it will taste.
Alright, so I think I'll go with this one first. This is the just plain sweet potato.
Sweet potato. And how many calories or like what's the nutrition?
Alright, so it's 190 calories per serving.
It contains 7% juice. Okay.
Potato is a juice, but okay.
Them no must juice it, da. Or you think them get the juice? Them no must juice it.
But you know when you think about juice, you think about, you know.
Just continue to read it back.
Let's see how much sugar in this. 35 grams of sugar.
46 carbs.
Yeah.
46 grams of carbs. Yeah, well, I mean, I'm just ready to taste this. I'm kind of eager, but kind of like I don't know what it will taste like.
Kind of smell gingery to me for some reason.
I don't like ginger things.
Kind of have a little gingery smell, but that's cool.
I don't think I want to taste this. I think I smell potato though.
I'm not smelling the potato. What I'm tasting though is the pineapple ginger flavor. That's what I'm tasting. I don't think I get the potato essence or vibe from it. I don't know.
It tastes like potato to me. That's a little weird. That's not something I'm used to. And then the consistency kind of feel like, I don't know, it's kind of weird. It kind of thicky, like
yeah, it have a thickness to it that.
I taste the potato like I'm still tasting it. And this one is a potato by itself.
That's a plain potato.
I don't like it.
It have as I say, it have a pineapple ginger vibe to it. So
you can taste the ginger, but I taste the potato like I feel like the potato strong. Like I'm just like, this is not supposed to be had in this way. Like, maybe it's just a mental thing. Maybe it's just a mind thing. I don't know. If you guys have tried it, you can let us know if you want to taste the potato and low taste the potato. But I do taste the ginger, but I don't know the texture and then the potato.
It's a mind thing. I think it's a mind thing. Yeah,
even though I feel like me I taste Kentucky fries, like fries. Like even though I feel like me I taste fries, like.
Anyway, right. So what would you give this?
Thumbs down.
Alright, so you give it a thumbs down. For me, I'm not getting the potato vibe. I'm this strong essence of ginger. That's what I'm getting. So I'll definitely give it a thumbs down as well because I don't think I'm getting the potato vibe. Probably.
But does it taste good to you?
It have. Alright, so hold on. Alright, I'm telling you. It have a light, refreshing taste. It's even though she said it have a thickness to it. It have a light refreshing taste.
Potent.
It's not too sweet right? Even though the sugar content is like 35 grams of sugar, it's not too sweet, but I'm just not getting that potato vibe from it. So I'm giving it a thumbs down because I not really get that.
But do you like it? Is it something that you drink? Do
No,
you like it?
no. It's not something that I will really see it and buy it because...
Would you drink it again now that you have tasted it?
No,
I
no, I would drink it again. It's not something that, as I say, I would pick up like, oh, potato drink, let me get one. You know, no. It's just a try thing right now. Alright, so let's move on to the mango sweet potato. This should be good. Mango always blend nice with things, so this should be good.
I don't have my hopes up, I'm not even gonna lie. Sorry?
I don't think I like the smell.
It smells like mango.
Yeah.
It almost reminds me of the mango carrot tropical rhythms. It kind of smells like mango. I don't know, but it just reminds me if you've had the Grace tropical rhythms in mango carrot, it kind of gives me that kind of sense.
Just tastes like mango carrot. I don't know if it's me, but I'm not get the potato vibe at all. I'm not.
This one can go on.
I'm not getting the potato vibe.
Me like this one.
Are you getting the potato vibe though?
No. I don't taste potato vibe in this. I taste mango. I taste a little bit of ginger. But I don't know if it's very thick. It's a weird texture to me. Like, and I don't know if it's the potato in it that's giving it the texture. Like, I don't know.
Maybe.
Like, it's very thick and not grainy, but you can feel like there's something in it. I like this one though.
It does taste like tropical rhythm mango carrot.
Yeah, I don't know.
You get that vibe
it gives me
from
that
it.
essence, but I'm not tasting the carrot like that. The mango definitely.
Yeah.
Ginger
mango,
definitely.
I think mango is always like
mango is
stronger.
very strong. Yeah.
Right.
So it might have overpower
right. The potato. But I'll give it halfway thumbs because it does remind me of the mango carrot, but I still not getting the potato vibe. But it
maybe not so well. I guess it's supposed to taste.
I mean, why
potato.
call it potato
if you're
and
not
not
going to
getting
taste
the
it?
potato?
Right.
Right. So I'm not getting the potato vibe from it. From both of them actually. Devon said she gets the potato vibe from this one.
That one, but this one, the mango sweet potato, I would definitely give it a thumbs up. I think it tastes really nice.
Yeah.
It's I don't know. It just tastes good.
I give it a halfway thumbs. I'm still not getting that potato vibe. That's what I'm really looking for, to get that potato vibe essence. I'm not get it, but it's worth a try. It's worth a try.
Stay, honestly. Cause maybe if me that taste the potato and this, maybe wouldn't like it.
Maybe. I don't know. But guys, yeah, Grace have a new edition potato line.
Oh, by the way, what was the other flavor? Do you remember what the other flavor?
No, I don't remember what the other flavor. But there is 3 flavors, but we were only able to get 2 of them. Probably that's the only 2 that was available at the supermarket at the time. If you don't see them in your regular supermarket in Portmore, in the
wherever you live,
right? You can go uptown to General Food. That's where we purchased it.
It's coming like a General Food of all.
Yeah. I don't know. When you go up at General Food, go through the store and see what is new, and just buy some stuff. I will try it here. But guys, again, Grace have a new drink out. It's their potato line. You have the regular potato. You have mango potato. And
sweet potato.
Mango, sweet potato.
Yeah.
Thanks for correcting me.
Not Irish.
Not Irish potato, but the sweet version, right? So I don't think. Do you recommend it?
I mean, you can give it a try. I feel like everything is worth a try at least once.
It's a try. It's a try.
When it comes down to food, like you must can try it
it's a try.
at least once and then make up your mind. But personally, I wouldn't go out there and buy this again.
I don't think it's going to be on the shelf for long. It's a special thing.
I like the other tropical rhythm, the regular fruit ones. Like I would buy those, but I mean,
tropical rhythm is a great staple product. Like I don't think Grace are gonna get rid of tropical rhythm line, but at least they are trying to see, you know, what else they can do instead of just depending on the big guys, the mango carrot and the pineapple ginger and the other rest of guava passion, something like that. But guys, we tried it. It's out. It's available. If you see it and you want to give it a try, you want to do a little something and
let us know. Tag us in your stuff on Instagram. Please remember to follow us on Instagram also. Yes. And remember to follow us, to like our Facebook page. Yep. And of course, continue to comment and give us suggestions.
Like, share.
Suggestions if there's anything else out there that you see on the market now. It's Christmas time and people feel like people have money, so they're gonna start put out some new things.
Jingle bells,
so
jingle all the
make we know if you see nothing new out there. Anything we don't want to try, of course.
Sorry.
Wow, it's just my try something up in there. Also bad. Anyway, guys, we will see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.
Big up yourself.
Bye, guys.